Hi guys, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Pack your bags because today we are going to Hogwarts and attending our first potions class. And we're going to be making a witch's brew pound cake. It's going to be a delicious pound cake, festively colored for all of our Halloween spookiness, topped with some delicious sprinkles and some gummy froggies, and the best part, edible slime. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now let's go ahead and get right to it because we're going to be late for potions class. So our first step is to get ready our lemon pound cake batter. So in our bowl we're going to add in our flour, salt, and baking powder. Then we're going to go ahead and give those a quick little whisk. Once you have those dry ingredients all whisked together, go ahead, scoot them to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and add in your butter and your sugar. And then we're going to cream together with our hand mixer on a medium speed until ingredients are nice and light and fluffy. Should take about a good 2 minutes at that medium-low speed. Then we're going to follow that by adding in our eggs, one at a time. So we'll add an egg, give a mix, add another egg, give another mix, and add our third egg, and give our last mix. And then top it off with our lemon juice. So we have our dry ingredients, we have our wet ingredients, now it's time to put them all together. So, taking your hand mixer and putting it on a low speed, we're going to go ahead and start mixing our wet ingredients while adding in 1/3 of our dry mix. And then we'll follow that with half of our milk, another 1/3 of our dry mix, the last half of our milk, and the last of our dry ingredients. And we're going to go ahead, keeping our hand mixer on that low speed and mixing our ingredients until they are just incorporated, being sure not to overmix. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have our lemon pound cake batter. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, grab your food gel colorings, and let's start making this batter nice and spooky. So we'll add a couple of drops of our orange food gel coloring into a bowl with a little bit of our lemon pound cake batter. And just mix it up until it's nice and orange. And you really want to fold in that orange food gel coloring until it's fully incorporated. And we'll scoot that aside, grab a little more lemon pound cake batter, and add in our purple food gel coloring. And same thing, we're just going to keep folding in that purple food gel coloring until it is fully incorporated into our lemon pound cake batter. Then we'll scoot that over to the side, grab a little more of our lemon pound cake batter, and add in our teal food gel coloring. Going for those spooky Halloween festive colors. Now let's take the last of our lemon pound cake batter and add in some hot pink food gel coloring, mixing with our spatula until that gel is fully incorporated and we have this nice, bright, vibrant, pink, deep color. Now I've gone ahead and placed our lemon pound cake batter into piping bags, each with their own separate color. So next we're going to take our lemon pound cake pan, lined with some parchment paper, this way there's no sticky bottoms. And we're going to go ahead and just start filling up this pound cake pan with our festive colored lemon pound cake. Do a little bit of orange, a little bit of purple, some teal, and some dollops of hot pink. And you just want to keep rotating between colors until all of your batter is in your loaf cake pan. And if you don't want to do the purple and the orange and the teal and the pink, and you want to do other spooky Halloween festive colors, you go ahead and do that. I'm sure it's going to turn out wonderful, and I can't wait to see it. So let's go ahead and finish up our colors, rotating between each of the 4. Perfect. Now let's go ahead, pop this in the oven and let bake for a good 40 to 45 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our Witch's Brew pound cake has baked, it's cooled for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to decorate, my favorite part. So we're going to be using some edible slime, and I grabbed this edible slime kit from Target because it's Target. Why not? It's from their hide and eat boutique, and I've never had an easy time trying to find edible slime. I have yet to master making this from scratch, so $5, figured why not? But you want to go ahead and just make this to the instructions. It tastes like delicious lime jello that's not fully formed. It's really good and it's addictive. I can't wait to use it even more. I have so many ideas. Maybe some Ghostbusters themed desserts. Let me know if you want some Ghostbuster themed desserts with some edible slime down below in the comments. But I've already made some. I've already put some in a piping bag. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start loading the top of our Witch's Brew pound cake with some lime green edible slime. And once you have your edible slime on top of your Witch's Brew pound cake, we're gonna sprinkle on some festive, spooky, and cute, spoopy Halloween sprinkles. Just a little dash all on top of our pound cake. And lastly, we're gonna top with some yummy gummy frogs. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy, fun, festive steps, you will have your very own Witch's Brew lemon pound cake. And when you cut into it, you'll see those perfect, delicious, spooky Halloween colors just swirling about, and the slime kind of just oozes off. It's the perfect treat for your next Halloween party, and it tastes so delicious. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making this today. If you like baking videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up treats that you all enjoy and want to see more of. And if you want more tasty recipes, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video so you don't miss out on any yummy bakes I have coming up. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid mixtures to give away. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Once you enter, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make this Witch's Brew pound cake, or if you make another Halloween festive themed dessert or yummy treat, definitely give a tag on Instagram and let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I gotta get going because I'm gonna be late for Quidditch practice, but I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!